It will be.
What's hail and ice? I mean,
It's hailing on us.
but I'm not
Look,
catching any. I'm catching
I've got
the
ice on me.
water.
Well, look, it's dropping off of me.
I think it's because I'm being blocked by this tree.
I'm more under the tree than you.
But you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I found some on me.
Yeah,
It's funny.
wow, it sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Listen to it out there. Because the hail's like, let's keep some hail.
I mean, it's not like I ran and it was hailing in my face the other day. I was like, this is the hardest rain ever. I was like, oh, it is hailing. And you got this.
Not rain.
Alright, good story. Cha-ching. See, this is what I call a terror moment where I can't stop.
Pterodactyl moment.
Yeah.
Look up there, there's a pterodactyl.